Welcome to our channel.
Paradise on my plate. Let's make some cough drops today. For this, one of the main ingredient is lemon. We have 1 or 2 lemons in our own garden, so I'm going to use them. To make the cough drops, let's start with about a cup of sugar, 1 lime or lemon, 2 teaspoons of honey, 1½ teaspoon of ginger, 5 cloves, and about 30 to 40 mint leaves. Now take a pan and add the 1 cup of sugar into it. Now add about 75 ml of water into the mix. And let's boil the sugar. While the sugar boils, I'm going to cut open the mint leaves and then grind it. When you grind the 30 to 40 leaves, basically it comes down to the quantity as shown, less than a teaspoonful of mint leaves. So you may assume that the leaves I have shown are quite much, but when it comes down to the quantity, it's just less than a teaspoonful. We need to start testing this by taking a bowl of water and placing a little bit of sugar syrup into the water to see if it forms a crystal. Yes, it did. It did form a crystal. So this is the time where we stop the heat and then add all the rest of the ingredients. So I'm going to add the ginger, honey, mint, and the 5 cloves. Mix it thoroughly. Just before taking it down, add 1 whole lime juice. I've taken the seed out of the mix. Squeezing another half now. Taken a baking sheet and rolled it over a flat surface. Now let's take a spoonful of the syrup that we have made earlier and drop it into a circular shape. Let's hope it stays in the shape. Yes, it did. So this is a sample. We just keep doing this until the whole syrup is complete. We'll have lots of cough drops by the end of it. It's just been over 5 minutes since I laid them out. As you can see, they are starting to come out without sticking. That's nice. So before you transfer them into any glass jar, just coat them with powdered sugar so that they don't stick to each other when they are in the jar. So there you go, you have the cough drops ready for you. Let's sprinkle with some powdered sugar, as I said. You may wish to just toss them over